Personal pronouns in Spanish and English. Let's begin with the singular. First person in English is I. Primera persona or first person in Spanish is yo. Second person in English is you. Segunda persona or second person in Spanish is tú. Third person in English would be he or she. Tercera persona or third person in Spanish is él, ella, also usted. Usted means you formal. You formal is really second person, but it is placed in the third person conjugation of the verb. Let's go to the plural side. First person plural in English is we. Primera persona or first person plural in Spanish is either nosotros or nosotras. Nosotras is used only when females are in the sentence. Second person plural in English is you all. In Spanish, segunda persona or second person will be vosotros or vosotras. Vosotras is used when females are only the subject of the sentence. The third person in English is they. Tercera persona or third person in Spanish will be ellos, ellas, and ustedes. Ustedes translate to you all, but because it uses the third person plural conjugation of the verb, it is placed in the third person.